Hello everyone, welcome to Computer Hacks. In this video, we'll show you how to install Shotcut, a powerful and free video editing software on Ubuntu. Follow our easy, step-by-step guide to get Shotcut up and running on your Ubuntu system. Open the terminal and run mentioned command sudo apt install Shotcut. It'll ask for sudo user password. Please type the password and enter. Password will not be visible. Now it'll ask for yes to continue the installation. Type Y or yes and enter to continue. Installation has been done. Type Shotcut to launch the application. You can also open the app from all apps. Enjoy the editing. Good luck. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Computer Hacks for more tutorials and tech guides. If you have any questions or run into issues, feel free to leave a comment below. We'll do our best to help you out.